After I have used my Gen 21 modular foldable foam pontoon boat 12 times this summer and have it in the water for over 30 hours, I'm going to tell you how I feel about this boat in this video. I used the boat at the Tillamook Bay and then later at Nehalem Bay. The sea conditions gave me a better test for the integrity of the boat. I helped my friend to move his 80 pounds canoe down this stairway. It was difficult and took us about 30 minutes. For my boat, it is light, and being modular, it is easy to carry different pieces to the rocky beach, and then I did the boat assembly there. In the morning, the sea was very calm. It was relaxing to paddle the boat close to the main channel where the water is deeper. I hoped to catch more crabs at the deeper water. It was a beautiful day to go crabbing at the Tillamook Bay. I dropped my crab pots at the right side of the channel because I was next to the main channel, and this is a favorite bay for fishermen. Therefore, you see many motorboats passed by, and they generated strong wakes. With this boat, it is so stable that I don't have to worry it would flip over, even though there are broadside waves or wakes. I can focus on pulling my crab pot and catching my crabs. My friend have to pay attention to the wakes and prevent his canoe from flipping over. Two hours later, I was done with crabbing, but the wind and current were picking up. On my way back, I could feel the effect of the wind, waves, and current pushing me towards the jetty. I was still able to paddle it back to the beach. Adding a rudder or fins would have made the paddling more efficient. The height of the pontoon is only 4 inches, and my seat is 5 inches higher, and that was sufficient to keep my bottom to stay dry. The boat weighs only 23 pounds, but after adding the crab pots, ropes, and other accessories, the total weight probably exceeding 50 pounds. I'm glad this boat is modular, so I don't have too much difficulties to handle all these extra weights. At the Nehalem Bay, the boat has no problem carrying 3 crab pots. The best part for crabbing at this site is I can drop the crab pots just a few hundred feet away from the dock and still can catch many crabs. Okay. The white Gorilla tape for covering up the foam works well for me. I don't have the glue coming off from the tape. There was a small cut and I covered it up with the tape. I agree it will be more durable if I use the Pullman's fiberglass approach, something you may want to consider if you build this boat. I used the cordplust to cover up the bow and stern. I also add a small piece of cordplust to protect the bottom. All this worked well for me. I don't see any obvious wear and tear at the hinge. I also don't see any deformation on the foam surface. That means there hasn't been much bending at the midsection of the boat. However, I do see a small tear at the edge of the cordplust. This happened on the other side also. This should not affect the safe operation of the hinge, but this can be repaired easily by using heat fusion method. The zip ties look normal and don't seem to have endured any obvious stress. After my very first use of this boat, I noticed there were slacks with the zip ties, and I have to retighten them. After I did this 2-3 times, the zip ties were stabilized, and I don't have to do that anymore. Overall, this boat is holding up very well. It is a reliable and a safe boat, and I will be keeping this boat for a few more years. I still haven't fully tested its sailing capability. I will add accessories and a trolling motor so I can use it for fishing. In my future video, I will discuss what improvements I will make to this boat. Please stay tuned. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel so you will not miss my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.